Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Shulita and I make skincare videos, well, mostly. And if you ask why I'm bending like this, then yeah, this is where the good lighting is coming. If I'm sitting down, then the shadow is on my face and the lighting is pretty bad. So yeah. So by the way, I watched Mira Kapoor's face sculpting massage video in Hindi and in English, and I was super relaxed by even watching that. I was like, I have to try it. So yeah, so it's going to be a video where I am gonna follow her steps and tell you in the caption or description how I feel about it. So here we go. You can use any type of facial oil or serum of your choice. Just warm it in your hand and you're good to go. Massage it on your face by just following her steps. It felt so relaxed. I think if I follow this technique for a couple of times, I can really see a difference in my face. This video is about 4 minutes long, but I showed you the most important techniques which I love the most, especially the eyebrow pinching part. So this was my first time trying this, and you can use your hand. If you're not comfortable with your hand, you can use gua sha or any other facial tool. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making this for you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos like this, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.